Alright, it's Monday and I'm turned up. Pre-workout in, blood pumping, and I want you right there to feel that same energy because this week could change everything for you. If you decide to show up. We're in a world right now where AI is exploding, obviously, and I'm not talking about, oh, maybe in a few years, maybe in a decade. I'm talking about right now. Every single day, AI is learning faster, automating more of our life, replacing tasks that used to take hours, and turning it into something done literally in seconds to minutes at the most. And here's the truth. The easy path is just disappearing. The thing you used to be able to coast on, those things are probably getting handled by machines and robotics. So the question is, what's going to separate you from everyone else that's being laid off? Because let's be real, the baseline is just going to continue to rise. Most people are addicted to comfort. They want to sleep in, scroll on their phones, take the shortcuts, but yet still get results and live like the top 1%. But comfort is dangerous right now because AI is doing the easy stuff for free and faster and better than any of us. So if all you bring to the table is easy, you're already replaceable. But here's what AI can't do. It can't live for you. It can't go through pain, and with that, it can't come out stronger. It can't build your discipline. It can't give you grit. That's all on you, but at the same time, that's your advantage on AI. The winners in this next chapter of human history, they'll be the ones who chose to put hard things on themselves on purpose, in the gym, in business, in their relationships, in their mindset, because that's what sharpens you into someone that is irreplaceable. So let's talk about physical fitness. Speaking of, my pre-workout, you think doing that last rep in the gym is all about the muscles? No, it's about training your mind, actually. It's about training your mind to say, I don't quit when I'm tired. I quit when I'm done. I quit when I'm finished with my task. Your body is the first arena where you are practicing becoming flat out unbreakable. Now, mental fitness, that's even more critical. We're talking about the ability to focus for hours and hours on end when the world is designed to distract you every 5 seconds, every 2 seconds. The ability to hear no 10 times in a row and still show up for the 11th try. The ability to make decisions under pressure when everyone else is frozen. In a world where AI can solve equations, write code in seconds, the human advantage is resilience. The ability to keep going when the system says stop. So here's what I want you to do this week. Pick one thing to challenge your body, something that makes you sweat, something that makes you uncomfortable. And also pick one thing to challenge your mind. Maybe it's reading a book instead of scrolling for 2 to 4 hours a day. Maybe it's tackling the hardest project first thing in the morning, also known as, eating or swallowing the frog. Pick one thing to remove comfort from your day. Maybe it's cold showers. Maybe it's waking up an hour or two earlier. Maybe it's cutting junk food altogether, or maybe if you're already cutting junk food, cutting carbs altogether. Do these for the next 7 days. No excuses. Track how you feel by Friday. You'll notice something powerful, I promise. Your mind will start looking for challenges for dopamine hits instead of trying to avoid them and looking for those quick and easy dopamine hits from scrolling. This is where you become dangerous. We don't get to choose the era we're born into, but we do get to choose how we show up in it. You can either let this AI-driven world make you soft and weak and dependent on the government, or you can use it as fuel to become the most physically fit, mentally sharp, unshakable version of yourself. This Monday is your launch pad. This week is your first test. This is why I'm posting this on Monday. Show yourself that when most people slow down, you decide to speed up. When most people decide to quit, you double down. That's how you build a life that AI can't possibly replace. Now get after it and make the rest of us keep up with you instead of you trying to keep up with everybody else.